weather for 20 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was the warmest day in over 3 weeks, and there's more on the way. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs tomorrow and Thursday will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Then a cold front moves through. We'll see morning highs in the lower 50s and then falling on Friday. On Saturday, high temperatures will only be in the 40s, and that's where we should be for this time of year. Now, November is the month that we typically transition from fall to winter here in northeast Wisconsin. Our normal high drops from 50 down to 35, but there are no signs of that happening anytime soon. Take a look at what happened earlier this afternoon. Temperatures were up into the 70s, including a reading of 75 in Wautoma. It was 73 in Fond du Lac. In Green Bay, the high temperature was 70, missing the record high by just 2 degrees. Right now, temperatures have dropped back down into the 40s, 50s, and 60s. The warm spot is Wapaka, coming in at 63 degrees. 100% possible sunshine across the area today. It was an absolutely beautiful day, one of the nicest November days we have ever seen here in northeast Wisconsin, and records go back a long, long time. Tonight we can expect mainly clear skies, and once again the northern lights should be visible. So find a dark spot, look north, and let your eyes adjust to the dark. I will be Facebooking and tweeting as the evening progresses, kind of let you know what I'm seeing and what others are seeing across the northern part of the country. NBC 26 Precision Radar shows quiet weather across the Badger State. Really not a whole lot going on across the central part of the country. Our next weather maker is off to the north and west. Yesterday it was a cold front heading towards Wisconsin. Now it's stalled out, and it's actually beginning to move back to the north as a warm front. But by the time we get to Thursday, it'll transition back into a cold front, and that's when the cooling will begin. High temperatures today across the central part of the country. Once again, we're running a good 15 to 25 degrees above normal. You can see there were a lot of 70s out there. And overall, it looks like this warm weather pattern is going to stay locked in place. Here's a look at what I'm expecting over the next 2 weeks. We're going to be looking at above to much above normal temperatures continuing. When you average everything out, yeah, there could be a cooler day here or there, but overall, it is going to stay warm, and this is in sharp contrast to what we saw last November. Do you remember that? We ended up with our 5th coldest November on record. Not only was it cold, but it snowed a lot. It snowed 19 of 30 days, and we had over 8 inches of snow officially. Precision Cast shows clear skies initially tonight. We'll see some areas of fog develop tomorrow morning. That'll then quickly burn off for most of the area. Could see some low clouds and fog linger near the shoreline of Lake Michigan, and then things start to get a little more interesting as we head into Thursday. Lots of clouds mixing with some sunshine. We'll have a chance for a shower late as that cold front starts to work in from the west. So your forecast for tonight calls for fair skies. We'll see some fog. Lows will be in the 40s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Some late clouds and fog will linger right along the shoreline for much of the day, or actually develop as we head into the afternoon and evening. Look for a high temperature right around 70 degrees. 69 on Thursday, sun and clouds giving way to thickening clouds, a chance for a shower late. It looks like it'll be wet Thursday night into Friday morning. That rain tapers to showers by the late morning. Highs will be early, lower 50s, and then falling. On Saturday, sun and clouds, maybe a rain or a snow shower, not a big deal. Highs will be in the 40s. On Sunday, windy conditions will start to warm back up, mid-50s, and then mid to upper 50s, maybe in a few more 60s. As we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week, we'll also have a slight chance for a shower. So all of those temperatures, Stacy, are at or above normal for this time of year, even at 47 on Saturday.
Yeah, I had to do a double take on the thermometer in my car. I'm like, 70 degrees for real?
75 in Wautoma today.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's like summer.
Yeah.
Well, golfers in northeast Wisconsin certainly taking advantage of this mild weather.